If you want to manage app notifications on Google Pixel 11, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Now once you open the Settings, then over here we should be able to find the Notifications option. And then here we have App Notifications. Of course, you can see the list of apps and if they have notifications enabled or not. And most likely you will see only some apps over here. And as you can see here, above the list we have Most Recent. So it shows only a couple of apps. You can tap on Most Recent to switch to all apps, so you have a full list of apps, and you can clearly see if notifications for these apps are enabled or not. And let's say if you want to manage these notifications, you can of course tap on the app, and then here you should be able to make some further adjustments. You can even find notification categories, so this allows you to, for example, choose which notifications specifically should be enabled or disabled. So you don't have to, for example, completely disable notifications from an app, but you can disable some of them. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.